Hi friends, welcome to Kids Prapancha. Let's love and play together. Do you know what makes you kids super smart and happy? Today we will learn 5 easy habits that will make you a superstar. Are you ready? Give me a high five. Let's go. Habit number 1. Brush your teeth every morning and night. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡಿ. Let's do the brushing action together. Up, down, round and round and round. Wow, your teeth are shining like diamonds. Show me your big smile and say cheese. Cheese. Can you promise me you will brush every day? Say yes, I will. Yes, I will. Habit number 2. Wash your hands before eating. ತಿನ್ನುವ ಮೊದಲು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡಿ. Why? Because small germs hide like naughty monsters on our hands. Let's wash them together. Rub, 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 rub. Splash, 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 splash. Now your hands are clean and happy. Can you wiggle your fingers like me? Wiggle, wiggle. Habit number 3. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮತ್ತು ತರಕಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. Do you like apples or banana? Which is your favorite? Say with me, every food makes me strong. Let's pretend to eat a big crunchy carrot. Munch, munch, munch. You are growing stronger already. Ta-da! Habit number 4. Be kind and share with others. ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇತರರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. When you share toys or say kind words like please and thank you, you make everyone smile. Let's say the magic words together. Please, thank you, smile. Wow, you sound so polite. Give yourself a big clap. Last and least, habit number 5. Sleep early and wake up early. ಬೇಗ ಮಲಗಿ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ. When we sleep well, our body becomes super strong and our brain is ready to learn. Let's pretend to sleep. Wake up, stretch your arms and say good morning. Let's quick recap. Brush your teeth, wash your hands, eat your fruits and veggies too. Be kind and safe, sleep on time. Super kids, that's you. Yes, you learned 5 good habits today. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to follow them every day. Because good habits make you a superstar. Bye bye stars, stay with me. Good habits are cool.